$45 for Deus Ex Mankind Divided at this day and age? Guess I'll just buy a key of the exact same game for just $6.29 and use it on Steam because it's totally legit. I'm not being ironic, it is legit. People in the comments keep asking me how to get game keys, and usually the answer is you buy them. The next question of course is I don't want to, and then the next question is hey, I found this key store, is that legit? And instead of answering that question, which is individual each time, I will show you how I buy cheap game keys, and so far all of them have been legit. If all you care about are some links, then here they are: GG Deals, Is There Any Deal, and Not GameGator. I am not promoting any site, I am not sponsored by any site. I don't like these sites. I guess I do recommend them, but as tools which can be replaced as soon there's a better tool, or as soon they become worse. Now, before you buy a game, you need to know which game you want to buy. If you're not sure, I guess you should go to your Steam wishlist or whatever wishlist you have, or go to a store and just look at games and think about, oh, would I like to play this? And I have a bunch of games here in my wishlist, and we're just gonna start looking for something. For example, Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition. So I'm gonna copy this name, and I will go to GG Deals, which is the first site that I use to find good deals on games. So let's search for Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition, and I just pressed enter. I don't particularly like these drop-down searches or find suggestions. So here we are, Baldur's Gate 2 Enhanced Edition and Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition. Let's go to compare prices, and well, that's a joke. I don't want an Amazon version. What? Windows Vista? But it's a Steam key? That's interesting. Weird. Let's go and check it out. This is actually sold by Amazon. Well, that's interesting. There's also Fanatical. Accepting cookies. Alright, $3. Okay, now let's compare prices on the second page that I use for these searches, which is there any deal? I'm gonna just type in Baldur's Gate, and it shows me Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition, and the current best, it says, is $2.99 on Amazon as well. Okay, good. Fanatical the same, and Steam right behind that, but it used to be lower. But if you did want to buy it on Steam, well, I already made a bunch of videos about that. I'm gonna link the most recent one in the description of this video, and it is interesting to see how the official stores are cheaper than the key stores, which are apparently not official. You know what, I'm actually not that interested in Baldur's Gate. Let's instead search for Deus Ex Mankind Divided. I don't have it in my collection on Steam yet. So what I'm gonna do now is search for Deus Ex Mankind Divided. It doesn't even show. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's a bit slow. Let's just press enter. So what I want is the Digital Deluxe Edition in this case, which is just a little bit more expensive and includes all the DLC. So let's get that. And we can see here the best deal compared to Humble, Greenman Gaming and GOG, which all are at around $45. The best deal is $6.29, which is pretty good and ends in 5 days. Alright, don't trust on that alone. Check, is there any deal as well? Put the name there. And I don't want Deus Ex Mankind Divided. I want the Digital Deluxe version. Digital Deluxe here. Hey, look at that. Ah, so once upon a time it was actually cheaper on Greenman Gaming, but I'm not gonna like worry about a difference of less than $1 when it comes to saving, well, more than 80% of a game that I might actually play someday. Now it's $6.29 here. There's a voucher for 18% more. I doubt that's gonna work. And if we do it here, don't see any voucher informations. So let's give it a try. Let's copy Fanatical 18. Let's go back to the page where... Go back to the... yeah, this website is a bit broken, isn't it? Right-click on the back button and go to Mankind Divided Digital Deluxe Edition. Press Fanatical. Alright, let's give it a shot. Let's add to cart. Alright, here it is. Let's see if we can add a coupon right here. Oh, I see. 18% off any full-price game. Yes, of course. Okay, so this doesn't apply here. Now, what is important is to check where it activates. It activates in the United States. Check country restrictions. And here you can check whatever country you're in.
Time is not on our side.
Copy that.
Solid copy.
Apparently it will activate pretty much everywhere. If you buy games in Russia or while you're using a Russian proxy, for example, or VPN, then it will not activate in most parts of the world usually. So we'll proceed to checkout essay. I'm a new customer and I don't want to register. Annoying. I guess I'll have to just put in my stuff in here. Register. Okay, let's check out now. I don't want to use a card, instead I'm gonna use PayPal, which does have a nice feature of you can get the money back if you don't get the product. Pay with PayPal please, which I am doing now, and I will use my US dollars in my PayPal account to pay now. Alright, back here my order is being processed. And now it says my order is complete. That took about 5 seconds. I have an order number here. That is not the key. I have a date, item, price, and view orders and keys. Alright, so apparently I have to activate my email before I can activate my keys. Whatever. It says here too, please verify email to redeem key. Let me just confirm that. I got an email in my email. I got a link in my email. It is now confirmed. If I go to this page again, I have already confirmed. Alright, I can reveal the key now. Drum roll please. Bam. And now I can copy this, open Steam, add a game, activate a product on Steam, press next, paste, next, and there it is. Activation successful. I can now download and play it, but not today. Alright, I want you to understand that I'm not recommending Fanatical. This is the first time I've seen Fanatical, and it works, as you can see. But if Humble Store had been number 1 in this list, I would have used that. Greenman Gaming, I think I bought a game from them, would have used that. Humble Store, I got multiple games, by the way. GOG, got lots of free games from them. I might have even bought a few there. I would recommend them as well. Steam, of course, as well. Heck, I would give Amazon a try. Never thought that they sell game keys. That's cool. Alright, anyway, so now that we bought a game that we knew we wanted, let's see how we can use these sites to find games we don't know yet we want. And I'm gonna have to tell you, unfortunately, that Is There Any Deal in its current state to me does not seem like a good way to discover games when you have a price in mind. You can try to scroll based on these prices. Apparently you get quantity cuts on the price. We can check the recommended, which is just horrible. It doesn't show the price. Why would you do that? You can try the ITAD, Is There Any Deal? What a horrible abbreviation. Alpha, which looks a bit more modern and has missing thumbnails. Let's see all deals. Filters, we want... Oh yes, here we are, okay. So we want like a price between 2, because we want... okay, let's go between 1 and 5 for $5. That seems good. Some people like price cut stuff. I don't care about percentages, I just want to know the price range. And here we are. Again, thumbnails are missing, I don't know what's going on. Planescape Torment, good suggestion. Baldur's Gate, I already knew that. Assassin's Creed Unity, I think I got that for free with one of these launchers. Anyways, this all kind of sucks, unfortunately, compared to GG Deals. In its current state is much more appealing for this. So you can just go for deals and click price and click under 5, for example, or also pick a range. Excuse me, here, range $2 to $5. Show only the best available price, of course. And there we go. You can just scroll down. The thumbnails actually work. BioShock Infinite. For Linux only? Is that it? Weird. Anyways, if I was in the mood of searching for cheap deals to buy, that's how I would do it. Links to all the sites in the description of this video. And if you have a question about how to get the key, please explain. What do you mean? Like, who owes you a key? Why would you have a key? Did you buy a key? If yes, what site did you buy it on? Just put the name, not the link, or it'll be blocked automatically by YouTube. Did you get a game for free on Steam or Epic Game Store? Well, on Epic, if you get a free game, you don't get a key anymore. You just get the game on Epic, and then you have to have the Epic Games Launcher. Or GOG, the same thing. Good Old Games, you just get the free game, and then you have to use the Good Old Games Launcher to install the game. Pretty simple, actually. But yeah, keep those comments rolling and enjoy saving a few bucks on games. Until next time, ciao.
Smart thinking. Yeah, but if anything does happen to him, you'll be telling his wife. After you get out of the hospital, of course.